Welcome to this short NSDR practice using Yoga Nidra techniques to allow you to sink into an effortless state of very deep relaxation, letting go of stress and recalibrating your nervous system. Find yourself in a really comfortable position. And whether you're lying down for the practice or sitting in a chair, support the body as best as you can. Notice where you might be accepting discomfort, even the smallest of things, and make any adjustments so that the only thing you're feeling is complete support. Close your eyes or take a soft gaze. And begin to welcome in a feeling of softness that washes over the body. Starting at the top of the head, feel softness wash down the scalp and forehead. Washing down the face, welcoming softness to the neck, shoulders dropping down as softness envelops the upper body and arms. Feeling the whole body let go as softness takes over, releasing any knots of tension down the torso into the legs. The whole body softens into the support below you. And slowly welcome in a deep, full breath through the nose. And when you feel ready to exhale, slowly exhale even longer than you inhaled. Repeat that again. Slow, full body inhale through the nose. Even slower, full body letting go out the nose. Feel the stillness in your body. Welcome in a feeling of the mind sinking down towards the heart, deepening your presence as if you're floating down further away from any thoughts that might be surfacing. Move all of your soft attention to the top of your head, the center of the forehead, both eyes, tip of the nose, notice the air moving in and out the nose. Become aware of the mouth, the entire tongue, center of the throat, hollow pit of the throat. center of the chest, both sides of the chest, both arms from the shoulders all the way down to the fingers. Both sides of the waist, from under the arms to the hip joints. Navel center, pubic center. Become aware of both of the legs, from the hips to the tips of the toes. Notice the entire body. Notice the entire body. The whole body at once. Completely immersing your attention in the full body experience. And with your awareness on your body, also welcome in a soft awareness to the breath and your natural breathing. And with your gentle awareness on the body and the breath, could you begin to merge the two so that you begin to experience the whole body breathing in and the whole body breathing out? The whole body receiving the inhale, the whole body letting go. Your gentle awareness on this full body breathing experience. Riding along with each inhale and each exhale. Effortlessly let go of the breath and the awareness of your body. And allow that awareness to move behind the forehead. And rest here for a few moments in pure awareness. Welcome in a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale, let the breath go out the mouth. Repeating again, inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale, let the breath go. Slowly bringing in the intention to awaken the body. Become aware of the body resting on the surface below you. Notice the breath. Where you feel the body breathing. And lastly, become aware of any shifts that you may notice from how you feel now compared to the beginning of the practice. When you're ready, welcome in slow movements, starting with fingers and toes. And then moving into larger movement. Maybe even taking a full body stretch. Slowly continue to awaken the body, taking as much time as you need as this NSDR practice is now complete.